So now I am going to show you on how to create a Gantt chart. So first, we need to define also what is the Gantt chart. So what is the Gantt chart? So the Gantt chart bears the name of Henry Gantt, American mechanical engineer and a management consultant who invented this chart as early as in 1910s. So a Gantt diagram in Excel represents projects or tasks in the form of cascading horizontal bar charts. So a Gantt chart illustrates the breakdown structure of the project by showing the start and finish dates as well as various relationships between project activities, and in this way helps you track the tasks against their scheduled time or predefined milestones. So how to make a Gantt chart in Excel? So this time I'm going to show you on how to create a Gantt chart in Excel.
I am going to show you on how to create a Gantt chart in Excel 2013. So here are the steps and how. So regrettably, Microsoft Excel does not have a built-in Gantt chart template as an option. However, you can quickly create a Gantt chart in Excel by using the bar graph functionality and a bit of formatting. So let's get started. So first, you have to have this information. The task, the example is here is to making a plastic wrap. So here are the tasks and the date I started and the date ended. Then this is the duration. So duration is simply as the end minus the start date. So here that we can see the formula here, C2 minus B2. So that. So now we are going to create this Gantt chart. What we call Gantt chart. So first we're going to highlight this one. Wait. So highlight this start date and then insert and then find the bar and then this. Choose this what we call this bar, stock bar. So you can see the graph here for the start date, then can make it bigger. So that is. So now we're going to select data to add another data. Now we're going to add and then type series name as duration. So here type duration and then the series value we're going to select. So this is the series value, this one. So now then press OK. So that is OK. Press OK. So now we can see the duration and the start date. So now we're going to delete this one so that the graph will become bigger. So now this is the duration and the start date. So this, we notice that this is a number, so we're just going to change its select that data, choose select, right click and then choose select data and then start date, restart date, and then edit, then access label, select the range of the access level here, the task here, so choose the task, choose this following task, then press OK. So now we can see that in our graph that it is so here. So that is the graph now. Then transform the bar graph into the Excel Gantt chart. So to transform this, we have to right click this blue and then change the format data series and then choose for the fill, choose this no fill and the border color, choose no line, then close. So now this is the result of our graph. Then what next is to the access option of this one, our task. So we have to format access, then the access option is categorize, then close. Select categorize and then close. And now improve the design of your Excel Gantt chart. So as you remember, so remove the empty space on the left side of the Gantt chart. So right click on the first start date. So we're gonna move this one. So right click on the first start date and then click, right click and then find the format cells. So the general here is 44. So we're gonna remember this number 44244.3333 and then click OK. So because wala tay atong i-change there. Just click cancel. So we're gonna click this the date, and then go to fix the maximum, fix the maximum, the minimum, fix the minimum onto the recorded number, which is 44244.33333. So now, and the major unit fix. So here I'm going to write 3, and the minor unit I'm going to write 2. It's up to you. So close. So this is my Gantt chart now. So how to remove the excess white space on the white space between the bars. So we have to remove the excess white space between the bars. So compacting the taskbars will make your Gantt chart graph look even better. So click any of the orange bars. So I have to click this any of the orange bars, and then right click. So in the format data series, so find the format data series. So change the gap separated into 100% and the gap width into 0. So and then close. So now here is our Gantt chart. So here is our Gantt chart now. So remember, through your Excel chart simulates a Gantt chart very closely. It still keeps the main features of a standard Excel chart. So here it is. So you can design, if you wanted to design more about your this one is, you can design your Excel Gantt chart in different ways by changing the fill color, border color, shadow, and even applying the 3D format. So all these options are available in the format data series. So we're going to format data series, like this one. Click the orange. So format data series, you can change that one to the 3D format, or you're going to change 6. You're gonna put this 6. Change or any else, so you can change. If you don't want to, then this, a simple and nice looking Gantt chart. So that is
So that is how you're going to create a Gantt chart in Excel.